Hi guys, I just want to pop in for a minute and introduce myself. My name is Peggy Moore, and I am a school nurse at Kinzer Elementary School here in Okinawa, Japan, and a wellness advocate with doTERRA. And I am super excited to share these oils with you. So I am a little bit older. I have probably acquired quite a few bad health habits in my life, and am kind of looking to do a change and to put more healthier things in my body and not rely on medications and things that I can't even read the labels to put in my body. And so I actually went looking for these oils, and when I found them, they have been an answer to that search or to that prayer for me. And I am excited to be able to share them with you. So I'm excited for Michelle's party on Friday night. I will meet with you guys on Zoom. Very excited that we're blessed to be able to have this way to connect, even though I'm here in Okinawa and you're in mainland. So I will see you Friday night.